Good morning, one and all. I am Saloni, and today I have brought one question, that is the secrets of graceful communication. First and foremost, I would like you to request, please stay tuned until the end of the video so that you are going to notified what is there in it. So let's get started. So the secrets of graceful communication. First of all, you need to understand what the communication is. Means most of the people they think that communication is just about speaking. But today I tell you that communication is not just about speaking. It is about the connection that we have. Whenever we try to communicate before anybody, we build the connection. It creates the connectivity and we try to engage ourselves with the audience. That's called the communication. It is the process of exchanging our thoughts, ideas, emotions with the audience. And it could be also the art of communicating. Most of the people they don't have. Few are there who are really good at communicating with the people. They speak so graceful. So why graceful communication is important and significant in our life? Speaking English is different and graceful communication is different. Both are drastic different than each other. So today I tell you that there are some secrets of graceful communication that I have written here. If you really want to build your great communication, for that you have to learn how to talk gracefully, how to communicate gracefully. First is body language. Whenever you stand before anybody, what you have to do it simply, you have to let your body language means straight. Just don't hold it. Some people they cross their hands like this, some people they keep their hands like this. You don't have to do like this. Simply let your gestures be open. Let yourself be stood up straight in front of others whom you are going to communicate, because this is a different sign that will help you to engage yourself with the audience. So body language play a vital role, if I say. Why? Because words have been given less priority nowadays. Words can be replicated, it can be copied, it can be also learned, but body language will take a lot of time to grab it. So it is given 55% priority on your body language. When you speak before anybody, three things will be noticed. Your voice modulation, intonation, then body language, and you can say your eye contact. If you stand before anybody, that time how is your body language and how is your eye contact? So body language plays a vital role. So make sure whenever you stand in front of anybody, simply stand confidently. Don't try to be afraid of talking in front of others. And if some of the people say you that yeah, you are just over doing it, don't use gestures, it is not good, so just avoid them, as it is played a remarkable role. Second, eye contact. Eye contact is also given the significant role, the incredible role in the communication. If I try to, you can say, communicate by looking here and there, okay? So it will not impact positively. It will not impact, you can say, attractively. Means you will not be impressed. Yeah, it will not be one impressive communication. So make sure whenever you are stood up in front of anybody, simply you have to maintain your 3 seconds of eye contact, because eye contact is really important. You don't have to stare the particular person, you don't have to do like this. You have to everybody till 3 seconds and then convey yourself. Eye contact will make you confident person. If you really want to be the confident while communicating gracefully, then you have to do it. Third is speak slowly and composed. Means this is also phenomenal role in communication. Some of the people, sometimes I do it. Means when you are having the urgency and you are having short of time, that time you deliver so fast. So whenever you communicate before anybody, speak slowly. Slow communication will attract you. Slow communication will give you the great personality. You don't have to hustle, you don't have to you can say stumble, you don't have to rush while speaking. Most of the people, they try to speak too fast just because they want to sound the impeccable speaker. But if you really want to be the impeccable, you don't have to speak fast. Speak slowly. First make yourself calm and automatically you will get the different level of confidence. Fourth is deep breathing practice. Whenever you go any part of the place, that time you get a lot of anxiety, and anxiety makes you afraid and makes you fearful. So that point of the timing, you might make a lot of mistakes, you might mispronounce, even you might get cold feet. You don't have to do it. First, before you deliver something, take deep breath. Deep breathing is also very important to relax yourself before you deliver anything. Fifth is listen carefully. If you really want to speak gracefully, communicate gracefully, for that you have to listen somebody. Listening plays a vital role. As you know that if you want to be a great communicator, before that you have to listen. Means what that person is saying. With the help of listening, many things can be learned. We can adopt their style. We can adopt their way of talking. So these are the secrets of speaking and communicating gracefully. Thank you so much. Hope so. This video is informative and it will help you to enhance your communication well. Thank you so much.